good. Nah, that ass. This shit right here, man, I ain't gonna lie. This is therapy. Bro, I'm not even trying to be on no sentimental shit, but like, it's real. The way the world is, shit is so fake and weird. So you just gotta, you know, you just, you feel me? You gotta come to nature. Real rap.